to tell me, write a program to find the exponent. Now, do you know what is exponent? Like power.
2 to the power 3 to the power. Yeah, exponent values.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
Oof, okay, find the exponent. Okay.
Any number whose exponent I need.
Then what we can do is, sorry. No, not print. So power, right? What will be the expression for this one? The number.
Okay. So suppose if I say you have to print a 2, square of a number. So you'll write the exponent 2 times star and 2. If I say, okay, give me cube of a number. So you can say, no, not like this. You'll write variable, any variable, x, y, whatever you want to put.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you will write there expo, E-X-P-O, expo. No 2 there. No 2, only expo.
Okay, sorry.
Expo. And 2 stars. For any exponent value, you need 2 stars. Okay. And give 2. 2 is the square of the number. Okay. So put 2. And then print x. Print x. Print x. Okay. Now run this and see. So exponent basically 2 stars. Okay. Any number? See. Now if I say cube, below this only, right? Same you can copy and make it 3. Hashtag program 2. Yeah. Hashtag cube root.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Hashtag cube root. Yes. Same thing you can copy from the top. No, expo everything. Yeah. Yes, like this. And then make it 3. Yes, instead of 2. No, not the stars, only the value 3. Yes. Now print. Working? Yeah. Okay. Now suppose I want x to the power y. Like I don't know. It's a yeah.
It didn't work.
Are you asking? No, it is the number is 4, right? So 4 4s are 16. 16.
Oh, so it takes. Okay, it didn't take. Okay. It didn't take that. Okay. Got it.
Maybe you can put the same number so you'll get an idea. Maybe put number 3 so that you have the same. Same number will give you the difference in the results. Put run. Click on run. Put 3.
Yeah.
Again 3. See.
27.
So when you have the square of a number, it is 3 3s are 9. When it is a cube root of the number, it is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Like that. Now third program. Here only below.
Okay.
After, see, first was at the top you write square root, not the exponent. Otherwise you'll get confused. Square of square. Okay, or not root, it is actually square of a number, cube of a number. Yeah, not root. Yeah, square of a number, cube of a number, Now I don't know what power. Like suppose there are two values, right? So this also, this power also, you can make it in the variable form. So same way, you can write exponent. You don't know what. See, this was cube to the power 4 to the power 5. That's fine. But I want to take my own. Then so you'll take two variable. One is the number variable, the base, and the power variable. So you can write it like this. Write that x equal to or base equal to, yes, integer input, enter number. You can copy from the top. Two times. Yeah. Then y equal to integer another number, right? That will be your power to the power.
Y equal to
Yes.
x.
Integer.
X
Integer.
y.
No, power also I don't know. I don't know which, I don't know to the power 3, to the power 12, to the power 17. I want to decide on my own. Okay. So again an input. Input, same way. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Sorry.
Input, int, input, enter the number. Input spelling.
Oh.
Ah, bad style code writing. After input bracket.
After input, one bracket?
Yeah, see,
Oh,
integer.
okay. Yes.
Okay. Now you'd write below exponent equal to or expo equal to x star star y. X star star y. So this is like when you will decide the power. Currently, I gave you square, cube, but you will decide to the power 12, to the power 50, to the power 60. So that's why. Okay. Now you can print expo. Yes.
So what I did, I defined x, that's your number. Okay. And then I decided y, because after the star, it takes it as a power. So y will be a power.
That's why you can write it. Just go to options, put the line number, go to options, show line number. Yeah, in line number 16, you can write there, enter base number so that you remember it when you refer. Yeah, or you can put a hashtag. And line number 17, you can put enter the exponent number or power, like whatever you want to write. Okay, now print expo. Now you will decide what power you want to give. Okay, click on run. First number, how many times? Oh, it's taking all the programs. Okay, now you write the number, enter number. See, 3 to the power what you want? 2. Okay. So that is 9. That works. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means if somebody asks you to put the anything in power or to the power something, you can always use 2 stars.
Got it. So 2 stars will put a power. Okay. And then if you want to make a square root, cube root, you just put the number in if it's defined already.
Okay. Clear? Okay.
Yes.